Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is a patent. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a patent? A patent is a grant given by the government to inventors, applicants, in return for disclosing an invention. It is a legal right to exclusively exploit the invention for the life of the patent. The term of protection for a patent is 20 years from the date of filing in the Philippines with no possibility of renewal. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is a patent is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.